We have the deck, which obviously has a deck on top, a viewing platform. Not seen too often, but they are around. The mansard, commonly used on American barns with gable ends rather than a hip end. But it basically has two pitches again. So it starts out fairly flat and then gets steeper on the sides as it comes down. And again, also used a lot in two-story renovations. So you can actually build a room into the ceiling or into the roof space. The monitor, which is pretty obvious. Think about a guard tower on a prison, so you can actually have a room in there with windows, or sometimes you see them that's just left open to let light down into the building. Then we have our Tudor. Okay, basically a Tudor roof is a 45-degree angle roof. This is a gable, so this pitch is 45 degrees. And whenever we have steep pitch roofs, you're probably going to see dormer windows, which will let light into the roof space, because there'll probably be a room with that much room in the roof. You'll probably have a bedroom or something in there as well. So we have dormer windows to let the light into that. And then we get into a couple of really weird ones. The helm, which is again a bit of a weird combination of the gable and a hip. It'd be a nice way to finish off a tower or something. And one which is becoming more popular nowadays with the shade sail type setup is the hyperbolic paraboloid roof. So basically it's curved in all directions, so there's a big curve down here, it curves back up that way, which obviously forces a curve into there. So that's a bit of a weird shape, but think about stuff they're doing with shade sails and that sort of thing. That's the hyperbolic paraboloid roof. So that's all the roofs. Now you probably rarely see one of these by themselves.